every week in my meetings I talk about customer service because that's the only thing that'll differentiate us from the other dealers.
You know, stuff happens, and when stuff happens, something needs to be there to help you out. If you have hay on the ground and it's about to rain in the next day or two, something needs to happen for it to get baled up. And so he's always there for people whenever they're in that situation, and he knows what they need and he knows how to help them out.
And it's kind of a passion of mine to be able to help others solve their problems, their needs that they have with their land or with their farm or whatever it may be, to help them find the right piece of equipment that's going to take care of the need that they have.